ever opened an email that looked real, but just felt off? Fake emails are one of the easiest ways hackers steal your information. They trick millions of people every year. But here's the good news. Once you know what to look for, they're actually pretty easy to spot. First, check the sender address. If it looks weird, it probably is. Scammers often use slight misspellings, like Amazon.com instead of Amazon.com, or a random Gmail address pretending to be your bank. If the name looks right, but the email address doesn't, that's a red flag. Second, look for urgent or scary language. Fake emails love pressure. They say things like, "Your account will be closed," or "Click here immediately." Real companies don't threaten you into clicking. Third, watch for suspicious links or attachments. Hover your mouse over any link. If the address looks strange or doesn't match the company, don't click it. And never open attachments you weren't expecting. They can contain viruses. Fourth, check for bad grammar or typos. Real companies proofread their emails. Scammers usually don't. Lots of spelling mistakes are a big warning sign. Fifth, be careful if they ask for personal information. No real company will ask for your password or social security number by email. If they do, it's a scam. If you're not sure, stop, don't click anything. Go to the company's official website and contact them directly. And mark the email as phishing or spam, then delete it. Fake emails are sneaky, but once you know the signs, they're easy to spot. Stay cautious, stay safe. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tips every week.